बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए। तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, dear Ruchi. We really love you.
Evergreen Ruchi, love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ruchi. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
Ruchi.
Hi Ruchi, happy birthday, happy 40th, God bless you.
Dear Ruchi Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday month. Have a blast. We miss you.
Enjoy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bhabhi.
We're gonna celebrate soon.
Thank you for being such a wonderful person. You've been so sweet to us throughout our relationship. You were one of the first people who believed in me when we got into our relationship. And that's why I love you one of the most out of everyone. And thank you so much for being a wonderful person. Just be yourself. You're a wonderful person, wonderful mother, wonderful wife.
Wonderful sister.
Wonderful sister-in-law, wonderful sister, everything. So thank you for everything, and just be the wonderful person that you are. You inspire us every day, and we wish you the best, and can't wait to meet you soon.
Thank you for my two amazing babies, and I love you, and I'll see you very soon. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Bhabhi. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Hey Ruchi, hi. I have been wanting to make this video for a while, but just didn't find the right place because there was no location that would match your enthusiasm, the zest that you have for life. My gorgeous little friend, I want to wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday. And dear Apple, you have been such a brilliant childhood friend of mine. I'm really blessed to have you in my life. All the best. God bless you.
Hey Ruchi, wish you a very happy birthday. Since years we are wishing each other and we never miss it. This time it's special because you are going to start a new decade. So wish you all the happiness and all the parties. Enjoy your life.
Happy birthday, Ruchi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ruchi. God bless you. Hey, birthday girl. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Have lots of fun. Enjoy your day. Hey, we wish you a very happy birthday. Love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ruchi Didi.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Didi. Enjoy your 40th. Have fun.
Hi Ruchi Didi. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you and your family with lifetime of happiness, health, and of course wealth. See you soon in Singapore. Ciao.
Hey Bhabhi, how are you? Wish you a very very happy 40th birthday. May God bless you with the choicest things in life and may you have a very very long life. We all love you. May this birthday brings all the best things in life.
Happy birthday! Hey RJ, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Best wishes and lots of love from all of us here.
Have a wonderful time. Be naughty at 40. Okay?
Bye!
Love you, Lords.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ruchi Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruchi. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Ruchi, happy 40th birthday. So, turning naughty at 40, not that you were any less naughtier before. So, keep smiling and keep talking and be happy.
Hey Ruchi, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Life begins as 40 like I say. Chalo, enjoy your birthday and wish you a very happy new year to all of y'all. Have fun.
Hey Ruchi, happy birthday. Wishing from Amrinder and me and wish you best. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Take care. Miss you.
Hey Ruchi, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. You're such an amazing person. You bring so much joy, so much love everywhere you go. Wishing you all that love, all that joy on this special day of yours. Have a great post-40 life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ruchi!
Special day, special celebration for a special person. May God bless you. May all your desires come true. Have a fantastic year ahead. Happy birthday.
Hi Ruchi, wish you a very happy birthday. ऐसे ही खुश रहो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, खुशियाँ फैलाते रहो and have a great life ahead and wish you happiness always. A very happy birthday Ruchi.
Hi, happy birthday Ruchi. Come over to celebrate your 40th to Madrid. Enjoy. We'll see you soon.
Ruchi the Great, I'm so happy you turned 40. Okay, so I'll keep this video short, 20 seconds to be precise. You are one of the best Homo sapien I know. You are a friend everyone deserves to have. You are kind, thoughtful, vivacious, exuberant, full of life. You are the Hi Ruchi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ruchi. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th birthday. Love you.
A very happy birthday to an amazing friend, wife, daughter, daughter-in-law, mother, sister-in-law and person. Have a blast. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You don't look like you're 40. You look like you're 20 with 20 years of experience. Yeah.
Young.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Have a nice birthday. Have a nice 40th year.
Happy birthday, Ruchi Auntie. Happy birthday, Ruchi Auntie. Happy birthday, Ruchi Auntie. Happy birthday, Ruchi Bua. God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Marcy. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
Hey Ruchi, wish you a very very happy birthday sweetheart. Welcome to the new 30s club. That's what we are going to call it. And not getting too excited about it because I'm going to be joining that band too. So 23 years of friendship and I just love each and every day that we have been together. There's our song, Ek Simple Si Coffee Bhi Kick Deti Hai Tere Sang, which is so true. You are really the best friend in each and every way. You've never had prejudice with whenever we have talked about anything new or old. You've always opened your heart towards me. You have been the greatest friend through thick and thin. I know this all sounds so cliche, but it is so true. I really, really love you. I'm not going to take more seconds because Nitin has put me on a timer. and I just want to wish you the very best in life. I love you loads and loads, and that you know, and you should know well. So I'm going to sign off here and hope to see you soon. Have a great time. I missed being in Dubai terribly, and you know that. So let's hope we can meet soon and celebrate again. Okay? I love you. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day to you. I'm surprised that you have also now come into the 40s club, and welcome to that. Life is still the same, doesn't change much, just for my past experience. But enjoy your day, have a blast, and we'll meet you soon. Bye.
Hey Ruchi is wishing you a very happy birthday. We can't believe that you're 40 years old because you look so young and you've got such a youthful spirit. I think at this point I would just want to say that you've touched so many lives in such a beautiful way. You have such a beautiful soul, and when we came to Singapore you just made us feel right at home, and I think the first person that we end up calling if we are in any sort of need is you. And we just wish you the very best and a very, very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ruchi Auntie. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you.
Dear Auntie,
happy birthday to you. Hey! Hello.
Hi Sally. Wish you a very happy birthday. Keep smiling, keep partying, enjoy life. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhabhi. Happy 40th birthday to you. May God bless you. We all love you. Have a nice day.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं टू डियरेस्ट रुचि। तुम ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ती रहो, ये मेरा आशीर्वाद है।
Hi Ruchi, from the pastries at Sweet Chariot to the Chinese food at Indian Walk, you've been an amazing friend.
And you're the most genuine and like heartwarming person that I know. So from the bottom of both of our hearts together, we wish you a very, very happy birthday and many, many more to come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Ruchi, wish you a very, very happy birthday. You're such a party-holic person. Enjoy and have a wonderful day.
Hi Ruchi, wish you a very happy birthday, and what should I say, I've always told you multiple number of times and I'll yet repeat it again that you were the first person in Singapore who got me introduced to this fabulous group and this lovely set of people, and I'll always give you credit for that. And I think we've come a long way, and there's still a long way to go, hopefully. Yeah, wish you a very happy birthday once again, and keep rocking, keep smiling, and spread this cheer all over. Bye.
Very happy birthday to you, Ruchi. I mean, just to add to what Priyanka said, I think it's been wonderful to know you all these 5-6 years we've been here, and have a very wonderful 40th and many more such occasions and years to come along for you. Wishing you the very best, and as I've always said, it's just a number, so don't get too bogged down or let it also get in your head also on the other side. So have fun. Birthdays are for fun. So all the best, and lots of wishes for your 40th.
Okay, do you have to say something?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello Ruchi Auntie, happy birthday. See you soon. Bye bye. We love you.
Bye. Wish you one very happy 40th. Bye.
Hey babe, wishing you a very, very happy 40th.
So sorry we won't be able to be there with you on your special day, but we sure all are dressed in black, as you can see, and gonna usher in your birthday. You were there with us in our minds and in our hearts, and we'll surely make it up to you once I'm back. Enjoy your day.
Ruchi, happy 40th Meri Jaan. So sorry I can't be there in your celebration, but you know I'm there with you in full spirit. Have a blast, have a rocking year, and we'll celebrate again once we're back in Singapore. Love you. Mwah.
Hello Ruchi, welcome to the 40s Club. Happy birthday to you, and as they say, life starts at 40, so let's start to rock and roll. Happy birthday again.
Hi Ruchi, wishing you a deliriously happy 40th birthday. Hoping your 40s will feel incredibly new and exciting like your 20s. Only doubly so. Can't wait to celebrate with you. Bye-bye.
Hey Ruchi, happy 40th! Lots of love and best wishes from Ekta and Vikas. Enjoy!
Hi Ruchi, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday.
One of the things which I want to add, Ruchi, on your birthday, it's a very special day for you, and as well as for people like us who are, we find you a great friend, is if you look at Ruchi in Sanskrit, it means light and beauty. And I can tell you, since the time I have met you and I have known you, I've always seen you smiling, no matter what time of the day it is, when it is. And the other thing which I always believe is that you are full of beauty from inside. And the light that you bring is not only to your family and to friends, but to the entire condo. And that's a great quality of yours. Thank you so much.
And I'd like to add, Ruchi, that you've been always a helping hand and just a call away. And some of my best selfies have been with you. So I hope, looking forward to many more selfies with you. Love you.
And we are really looking forward to this blast on your birthday, and wish you very, very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Ruchi!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday, Ruchi. Have a fantastic 40th year.
Hello, Ruchi. This is Mansi's mom. Do I need to say that? Alright, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday, and have a blast.
Hi Ruchi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Can she say happy birthday? Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ruchi.
Have a blessed life ahead. Happy 40th. Acha, kids also want to wish you.
Happy birthday, Ruchi auntie!
Happy birthday Ruchi auntie.
Happy birthday, Ruchi auntie.
Happy birthday Ruchi auntie. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you enjoy your day and year ahead. And thank you for being the greatest part of my life and being the coolest auntie I know.
Ruchi, there are not enough words to describe what you are and what you have been in my life. You have been the most important way I have become today. Thank you very much.
Ruchi auntie, welcome to the 40s.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ruchi. It's lovely knowing you. We all are here to celebrate your special day today. May you have a fantastic year ahead. Enjoy.
Hi Ruchi, wish you a very happy birthday. Remember, 40 is new 20 choice. So stay happy, be young and be fit.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. Happy 40th. Keep fighting. Keep smiling. Love you.
कोई अगर मेरी बायोग्राफी कभी लिखेगा तो कहेगा कि मीटिंग रुचि वॉज अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ. तुझसे मिलने के बाद रिश्तों के मायने समझ में आए, बदले. बहुत चेंज हो गई मैं तुझसे मिलने के बाद, इन अ गुड वे ऑफ कोर्स. लव यू फॉर वॉट यू आर टू ब्रिज You too are one of a kind, and it's very, very special to me and also. Love you for being the Masti Wali Masi for Kanha and Savni. Love you for who you are. On your 40th, I wish कि थोड़ी सी मैं भी तुझ पे rub off हो जाऊं and you are able to let go of things that are not so important. I wish a life full of love, a life full of happiness. जितनी life में खुशियां हैं, सब कुछ तुझे मिले. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ruchi. Happy 40th.
Despacito.
Happy birthday, Ruchi. Please continue to be cheerful, positive and energetic just like you always have been.
Happy birthday, Ruchi. Happy birthday, Ruchi. Happy birthday, Ruchi. मेरे लिए तो तू ऑलवेज 18 की रहेगी और 22 साल का तेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा.
Hi Ruchi, happy 40th birthday. God bless you.
Hello Ruchi beta, happy birthday. Hi Ruchi, everybody's wished you the best of wishes. What more can I say? You've been a true friend, a great sister and a great support system for me here in Singapore. Wish you a lifetime of health, joy and good luck. See you soon.
Hey बच्चा, wish you very happy birthday. देख मेरे पास एक बंदर भी है, इतना wish कर रहा है.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. I've started the drinks, so you guys also enjoy the drinks and have a great year ahead. Wish you all a very, very happy new year and a happy birthday, dear. Love you, bye.
Kiva, happy birthday, Bua. Happy birthday, Bua. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruchi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Ruchi. Happy birthday to you. मेरा भैया happy 40th Ruchi. Happy 40th. Happy 40th. Have fun. God bless you.
Happy birthday to Ruchi. तुम्हें जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. नया साल भी तुम्हारी जिंदगी में खूब खुशियाँ लाए. सारे घर को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू और नया साल बहुत मुबारक.
कुछ भी करो हाथ से.
Happy birthday, Dee. May God bless you and a happy new year.
Happy birthday Didi and happy new year.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Dee. Stay blessed and beautiful always.
Happy birthday Didi. Many happy returns of the day and God bless you. Come to Meerut anytime.
Happy birthday. God bless you, दीदी. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने 7 साल गुजारे आप लोगों के साथ. बहुत अच्छा. मुझे बिल्कुल भी फील नहीं होया कि मैं किसी अदर फैमिली में काम करती थी. मुझे एकदम अपनी फैमिली लगी. आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार दिया. कुछ खट्टियाँ कुछ मिठियाँ यादां. तो मैं प्रेयर करती हूँ हमेशा इस फैमिली पे वाहिगुरु की कृपा बनी रहे. आप खूब तरक्की करो. आप हमेशा हंसते खेलते रहो. हैप्पी बर्थडे. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. You're the best mom in the world. I hope you have a great day. Happy birthday, Mommy.
friend and an awesome wife and an awesome partner for my life. I really want to wish you a very happy birthday. I can only say that the last 40 years of your life have been an absolute success. You've made so many friends, and I've been really glad that I've been part of so many of those years. It's given me a new perspective of life. I can promise you that the next 40 years are going to be much more wonderful, and they're going to be equally awesome, and you're going to do great. I love you.
हमने तो क्या दोस्ती की है, निभानी तो पड़ेगी ही।
मेरे दिल के दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए। याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा फसाना।
Happy birthday, Ruchi! Welcome to the club of 40!
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत।
It's your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Wishing you a happy birthday.
Very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.